over there.
Where the boy at?
Right, you see him? He over the slicer right now.
He fat as shit.
Fat ass boy. Fat ass.
Suck it in, nigga. I seen that. You hella chubby. Hella husky and short.
6 we body shaming now.
Hold on.
Why?
Oh, they got my nigga Meech. Oh! We can't show guns on stream. Hold on, we can't show guns on stream. We gotta keep it PG. Oh, Barbara, let them know who you is, man. He out here getting niggas together. Yeah. Niggas got the gun underneath the robe. It's crazy. Look.
Hold on, you see the cut? And we've been hooping.
Yeah, I don't think he got them together. Nobody, and it don't look like it's no black ice. Them look natural. And I love natural.
Nigga, you get black ice all the time.
Wow.